Hello children, in the previous video we have learned about alignment of the table and text alignment in the cells. Now in this video we will learn about resizing table, how with the help of AutoFit option that offers flexibility to automatically resize the column width based on different criteria. You can set the table width based on the window's size and or convert it back to use fixed column width. Let us see the options of it. Auto fit contents. What it does, it adjusts the column width according to the data entered. Auto fit window. Selecting the option will adjust the table according to the margins set on windows. Fixed column width. The column width gets fixed and the text is wrapped in the same cells. So here I have created one table here as a progress report. You see here in the name column only names are written. Now I want to give them a surname. So I enter the data. So I just simply click in the cell and start typing. As soon as, if you notice, I clicked inside the table, two tabs appeared on the top, design and layout. Now simply I just type a surname Agarwal. So as soon as you see children, you have noticed I typed Agarwal because the column width was fixed. So the text is wrapped in the same cell. So it has happened just because of this option, fixed column width. The column width gets fixed and the text is wrapped in the same cell. Same way, now I'll type, then I'll show you the other option. Agarwal, Anurag Singh. Then I give some other name here, other surname. So this way you can see wherever it is text is going beyond the column width, it wrapped in here. So this is the fixed due to fixed column width. Now what I can do, I just simply select it and go to auto fit content. I will use this auto fit content option. So how can you do it? Go to layout, click on the layout, say auto fit in the cell size group, auto fit and say auto fit contents. So you see the column is adjusted according to its content. And you have noticed that table size is also decreased, and whatever the contents are in this table, they are adjusted according to the content what is entered in the table. So this way we can use this option. Now auto fit window. What is auto fit window? Selecting this option will adjust the table according to the margins set on windows. So you see, as soon as I have used this auto fit content, so table size is reduced. If you want to bring this table in the whole page where the margins are set, so simply you just select the table and go to the layout, auto fit and say auto fit window. So it will go back according to its margins set on windows. So this way you can resize the cells and use these options. Children, now we will learn how to do calculations in a table. We have another option in this MS Word. We can do simple calculations in the table. So how we can do it? Simply here I have made this progress report. I have taken the marks of maths and science. Now I want to find out the total of these two subjects. So simply what you have to do, click on layout tab, go to the formula, data group and click on formula. So one dialog box will come. Here the formula is already written. is equal to sum left, and our numbers are numeric values are also given in the left. So simply you say OK. So you can see the total has come. Here again I want to take out the total of these students also. So simply data formula, and now it is taking automatically above. So here you have to change. You have to type here left. Then say OK. Then the total has come. Let us take the example other number. Again it is coming above. So we have to change as left, because our data is in left cell. So okay, then again layout, data, formula, and left this. Now say okay. So this way the total is here. You can calculate it in a very simple way. Even we can update the total also. How you can do it updation? Simply you just select the data where you want to update and then press the F9 key. F9 key. First I'll just select this data and change its value. 78 I have written. Then I will press the F9 key. So you can see the data is changed, the result is changed into 123. So with the help of F9 key, you can even update your data. Sometimes you need to change the marks. So this way you can take a help of F9 key. Thank you children.